Hype the techno. Hype the techno. Hit Rachel Trapathon. Creator raises me. Make your wrist nails stop aggressive stylish. No heuristic neon city underground fashion. Fake sounds up is in. No place.
808 sub bass.
Fast techno kicks. Rolling trap hi-hats. Distorted quakes. Metallic caps and snaps. Bridge and fits. Fragrance and glitch. Rising synth tension. Hi-hat rolls. Bass slowly entering. Full bass impact. Fast rhythm locks in. Perfect for street walk starts. Continuous beat. No breaks. Strong for outfit close-ups. Hair to base. More aggressive. More aggressive than stabs. High-low Mitchie toes shapes. Pepper break. Filter bass. Short tension build. No silence. Maximum power. Fastest drums. Full rave energy. Bass fades with glitch effects. Clean ending 4 loops. Bass fades with glitch effects. Clean ending 4 loops. Stylish, Futuristic, Only rock.